You can see here is a dedicated EMC pretest buttons. While pressing this button, you will get this option to turn on the EMI. Okay, then EMI test. You can select the band as per the requirement. Okay, these are the standard band, or you can do the user defined bands. Okay, then ambient noise rejection is if it is there. Okay, corrections, you can add correction, horizontal correction, vertical correction, or other factors. Recall limit, these are the standard recall limit. Okay, and if you user want to do the limit line addition, okay, you can do, and also you can recall the edit line. Peak table is there, so user can directly see the highest peak. Okay, the highest peak is available here, and according that a result will be available here. Okay, in more, you can select the logarithm scale or linear scale. Also the one more facility is there, GLN 5040. It is a LSN 10 dB compensation that is inbuilt with the this model. Limit line offset, quasi peak analysis, and detection. Okay, in detection, these are the ranges are present. In EMI detection, quasi peak and average both are present, and mostly we are performing the quasi peak detection because we are getting the certification from the quasi peak analysis. Okay, then if you want to use the near field probe, you have to press the field sensor. Okay, again which band you want to prefer. Again for the limit line, if you have a source contact probe, if you want to measure the conducted noise from the 50-volt signal or 300-volt AC signal, in that case you have to use the source contact probe. Okay, now if you want to trace the PCB or IO lines, you can use these two options. Okay, another AC voltage probe. In the AC voltage probe, you can directly measure the conducted noise present in a AC signal. 300 volt AC is maximum. Okay, this is a dedicated EMS source. Okay, this is a very important factors if you want to perform the performance of your duty and the presence of the excess noise or noisy environment. Okay, at that time this tracking generator will provide the signal, okay, that will feed to the antenna, and antenna will radiate it on the duty, and return signal we can collect from here. Okay, these are the EMS, dedicated EMS inbuilt facilities available in 9330 software. Okay, these are the functions available for the GW Instinct GSP 9330. Most of the features, means 99% features is inbuilt with the these machines. User no need to connect the PC and do the verification and take the time for the getting the result. And also the PC as also act as a noise source for your EMI/MC setup. To avoid this using the PC and all these things, the inbuilt facilities should be present in the machines, so that user will get the exact result what you want. Thank you.